back to Lifestyle Nutrition with Brian Diamond, and this is episode 3 of my signature show, Document with Diamond, where I intentionally gained 30 kilograms of weight and I've gone up to 126 kgs. Now my goal is to go down to 86 kilograms in a span of 6 months or 24 weeks. I plan to achieve this by watching my caloric intake and being in a caloric deficit. Now, if you don't understand the meaning of the word calories, if you don't know what a calorie deficit is, I'll link those videos at the end of this video. Watch till the end and you'll get them. If you want to jump right to the stats, you can find it here in the chapters, body stats and cause and effect, where I show and I break down exactly how and why I was able to attain the 2 kilogram of weight loss this week and the other 2 weeks consecutively. My feels for this week, the changes that I noticed was that I was able to fast walk up 4 floors of stairs and then instantly start taking off my socks and shoes, and I achieved that in about 15 seconds. I wowed myself. It used to take me a whole minute. Then I was talking to my mom one of these days while having tea with her, and she's like, Brian, I noticed that your face has gotten smaller and your face fat is not that much, like it used to be so big before. What are you doing? I'm like, I'm walking around 8 to 12,000 steps every single day. That's about 6 to 8 kilometers a day. She's like, wow, that's a lot. Like, would people do that? Would people actually do that? Would they really do that? Is there any other alternative? I'm like, yeah, there is an alternative. If you've made it to this far in the video, I would really appreciate it if you just type in documentation in the comments. I have added colors to my body stats sheet, so you know that green means that it's progressing or it's good, orange means that it's bad or regressing, and yellow means that it is staying the same or it's stagnant, and this kind of dullish blue is when there's an awkward number or some number that is not linear. I have lost 2 kilograms this week and I've gone down to 118.6 kgs. Body fat percentage is 35 from 35.3. BMI is 37.4. Chest is 45.5. Stomach is 43.5. Waist 41.5. Neck 16.6. Left thigh and right thigh also down 26.1, and right thigh is a little awkward. Left and right calf are down as well. They're the same. Left bicep is 15.1 and 16.2. That's a little awkward. Then left and right forearm also down. Now, daily night sleep. This is where you're supposed to sleep around 6 to 7 hours a night. However, I didn't do that in the beginning. The first and second week were great, 49. This week was 35 because I started editing, creating these videos. It started taking me like 4 to 6 hours just to create a 5-minute or 6-minute video. So editing, that takes so long. And daily protein intake is about 1.6 grams per kg of body weight. So that comes to 200 grams or 1,400 grams, or give or take 70 grams a week. All three are good. Hydration is supposed to be 3 liters every single day. That comes up to 21 liters minimum a week. The first 2 weeks are great. This week again was bad because I didn't sleep right. So 19.5. Then daily steps, I'm supposed to do around nothing I was doing in the beginning. Now 75,172 steps or 50.36 kilometers for the first week. 84,856 steps or 56.85 kilometers week 2. And this week again it came down 66,955 or 44.86 kilometers. And yeah, that's because of lack of sleep. Now, caloric deficit, I was not in a caloric deficit before because I was intentionally gaining weight. So that's why I went up to 126, and now it's a calorie deficit for the past 3 weeks, and I intend to be in a calorie deficit for the remainder of the 21 weeks of this 24 weeks. And libido or sex drive, it was 2, then 9, 7, and this week is 5. I just jerked off about 3 times, so that's about it. If you want to learn about calories, hit this video. If you want to learn about quantified nutrition, hit this video. And that's about it. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.